Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on the viral ZARA polka dotted maxi dress. Now the official title of this is the Ruffled Satin Effect Polka Dot Dress. And in case you're not familiar with ZARA's SKU method, they actually have a number code that you can go ahead and search on their website to most easily find the item. So for this dress, it is 3207/011. So as I mentioned, this dress went viral. And unfortunately, online it is sold out, which kind of comes with that territory. But I did check back a few times, just kind of leaving the tab open on my computer and refreshing every few days, and it came back in stock. So I do recommend checking back. Now you might have noticed on my tag, it actually also listed the price in British pounds. So I don't know if this was a return or there was less of a craze over in London and that's why it made its way to the US. But either way, I'm so happy it did. All right, getting our first full glimpses of the dress, I am just so overjoyed to have this in my possession. The top of the dress is very designed with the beautiful rosette flower right on the top right. And there is a beautiful asymmetrical ruffle that lines the majority of the dress, but in a very artistic and flowy kind of way. The back of the dress, as you can see, has a very deep V, which also is a little asymmetrical, especially when you put it on. So let me know if you can notice that or if it's just my eyes. The overall material and construction of the dress also feels pretty solid, especially for a fast fashion brand like ZARA. I am really surprised with the overall quality. The dress is lined, which is quite helpful for creating a comfortable wear as well as a kind of smoothing effect. And if you take a look at the tags here, the dress is actually machine washable, which is very surprising to me. This really makes it a very versatile and very usable dress. I can see this being a very packable dress, like if you're going on a vacation, perhaps specifically if you're going to the south of Spain. And what's so much better is that once you come home, you can actually just throw it in the wash and hang it to dry. Now, girl math would say that this dress is actually a lot cheaper than other dresses that you would have to dry clean because you're saving all of that money on each use. All right, let's go ahead and try this on. So my overall first impressions were that I was surprised that it wasn't longer than it was. I did pop on a heel here, so that is probably what's going on, and maybe the model in the photo was just very tall or she was wearing flats. But overall, that was not something I was prepared for. Now I will mention that the straps actually come out of kind of the front of the dress. So in order to give you that really open back, of course, the straps kind of have to disappear. So I just say that to call out that it might feel a little weird and like you kind of have to keep your back very straight to keep it up. Overall, if you can't already tell, I really love this dress, but let me know what you think in the comments below. If you made it to the end of this video, be sure to drop a white heart or your most recent emoji in the comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.